What's up guys, this is Ref and welcome back. We are accustomed when using a PC or laptop, the default OS is always Windows. Others maybe use Mac, especially on people on creative side. But there is this other OS that is growing in the past few years, and that is the Chrome OS. So what is a Chrome OS? Chrome OS is a Linux-based operating system designed by Google. It is derived from the free software Chromium OS and uses the Google Chrome web browser as its principal user interface. The PCs that use Chrome OS would be called Chromebooks, while its laptop counterpart would be called Chromebooks. Chromebooks spearheaded the popularity of the Chrome OS. It is known to be very cheap, though you can purchase an expensive one, but those types are very rare. Comparing it with the cheapest Windows 10 or Macs, Chromebooks do have much lower prices. One big advantage that the Chrome OS has compared to its rival OS that it is lightweight. Thus, it can run even with an old hardware. The Chrome OS is designed to be simple, and there aren't many extra features you get outside of just launching the Chrome browser and surfing the web at first. Some even says it's just a glorified browser. But Google improves the Chrome OS offline features and recently added the ability to download Android apps and also sideload some Linux software. Lately, Chromebooks are booming through the past few years, and mostly because of two sectors: in education and workplace. Since Google do have great apps for works and education, for example the Google Workspace and also the Google Classroom. Chromebooks became a cheap alternative from Windows devices for corporation or schools. On this Chromebook that I have, it's a Dell Latitude 5400. So this is a Core i5 with 16GB of RAM. And I mostly use this for work since most of our apps that we use is tied with Google services. One thing that I noticed too is how responsive and fast the Chromebooks are. With its lightweight OS, it turns on the device much faster than a Windows laptop. Navigating and opening app on this device is fast too. Battery life is great. I got 6 to 8 hours on screen time around 50% brightness and around 4 hours on screen time with 100% brightness. With its battery life, you can definitely enjoy watching media for a couple of hours without charging. It does have this cool feature too that you can control what is playing on your Google Home or Home Mini or Android TV. It also does have a Google Assistant, so for quick searches. Of course, with its advantages or pros, you will also have disadvantages or cons for Chromebooks. First is you can able to play any AAA games on Chromebooks. Although you can play games through Android apps or you can also use Google Stadia for game streaming, but those games are limited and you're not getting the true native playing experience on a device like a Windows 10. And mostly like Steam, it doesn't have support yet for Chromebooks. Second would be its limited apps. So you can't use professional apps like Adobe Suite or the Adobe Premiere Pro or any pro editing apps like for example DaVinci. Windows do have a lot of apps that is supported by different developers, and unfortunately Chrome OS doesn't have that big support yet. Chromebooks are best on what they do, and that is using it for office works, school, or even consuming media. They're not the best specs laptops, and they're not meant to be the best in terms of performance, but they just needed to be great on doing normal tasks, which they are. So is it still worth it in 2022? Yes, of course. If you just do normal tasks in work or school, or if you just enjoy surfing in the internet and consuming media, Chromebooks are best alternative options other than the Windows laptops. But of course, if you will do a lot of gaming or if you will need or use professional creative or developer apps, then it's best to look for Windows or Mac. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.